Next, the third model of artificial neural network is activation function. I'll explain what is activation function. Let us assume that a person is doing some work. If you want to make that work efficient, then you need some activation factor or force. Okay, it may be given to him so that he'll do the work efficiently. This activation factor or force is called as activation function. I'll tell you this how we will apply this activation function in artificial neural network. So for this, I have given you one simple network. So you assume that there are three inputs in this, x1, x2 and x3. So there are three input nodes and this output is given to given as an input to this y output node, and from this I want to calculate the output of this network. So here x1 I am giving the input signal as 0.4 and x2 I am giving it as 0.6, and for x3 the input signal is 0.7. As I have told you before itself, there will be some weight factor. It will be assigned for all the interconnections between the nodes. So for the weight factor for x1 and y is 0.1, and between this it is 0.2 and this is 0.3. Okay, so now how will we calculate the net input and also the output for this particular network? So the formula for this is y input is sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi into wi. That means it is nothing but 0.4 into 0.1 plus 0.6 into 0.2 plus 0.7 into 0.3. So when you multiply this, I am getting 0.37. This is your y input. This is an actual output. But if you want to make this network more efficient, you have to apply the function, activation function. That is nothing but f of y input. So this activation function is what I am explaining it now. So how will we achieve this activation function? So there are 5 activation functions available. That is identity function, binary step function, bipolar step function, sigmoid function, and the last one is ramp function. Coming to identity function, so here in identity function what happens is output remains same for all the inputs. So whatever the output, whatever the inputs you give, you will get the same output. That is identity function. So f of x will be x for all x. So for all the inputs you will get the same output. That is identity function. You are not going to do any changes in the output. And next is binary step function. In binary step function you will have a threshold value. So you have to see whether this x value is greater than or equal to threshold. If it is greater than or equal to threshold, you will assign the value 1. If it is lesser than this threshold, you will assign the value 0. So it is a binary value. So you will get either 1 or 0 as an output. For example, I am keeping this threshold value as 0.5. Okay, so the x output I am going to get is 0.75. So if 0.75 means it is greater than or equal to 0.5. So the output for this particular network is 1. Okay, I think you understood this binary step. Bipolar is nothing but you will have either +1 or -1. So if the x value is greater than threshold, theta is threshold, you will have the value 1. If it is lesser than theta, there is threshold. This theta is nothing but your threshold. Okay, so you will have the value -1. Okay, this is bipolar step. Binary means you will get only either 1 or 0. Here you will get either 1 or it may be -1. And what is sigmoid function? Sigmoid function, this is used in back propagation network widely. So this you will be learning it afterwards, back propagation network. Okay, you will be using this type of function in back propagation network. So there are two types under this. One is binary sigmoid, other one is bipolar sigmoid. So you can use this function formula for this. So you can apply this 1 by 1 plus e to the power of minus lambda x. This lambda is nothing but steepness parameter. Okay, and bipolar it is 1 minus e to the power of minus lambda x divided by 1 plus e to the power of minus lambda x. So these are all the sigmoid formula you will be using. Suppose you can apply binary sigmoid or bipolar sigmoid in your program. And the next one is ramp function. Ramp function will take 3 values. So if the x value is greater than 1, it will be assigned 1. If the value is between 0 and 1, you will be assigning x. And if the value is less than 0, you will be assigning 0. So these are all the 5 activation function you can apply in your artificial neural network. I'll explain this how you are using it in program. So for example, this is the network which has been given for you. So for this I know how to calculate net input. So I'm calculating this net input as y input. Now I have to find out y actual output. So for this I have to apply function. So here they have asked you to apply binary step function. So what is binary step function? The formula binary step function is, if the value is greater than threshold, you will be having 1. If it is lesser than threshold, it will be assigned value 0. So the threshold here I am keeping it as 0.5. So what is the value I've got? I've got 0.37. Whether 0.37 is greater than 0.5? No, it is lesser than 0.5. It is 0.37 is lesser than this 0.5. So what is the output I should get? I should get the value 0 here. So the output for this network is 0. So this is how you have to calculate the net, that is called output for the network. I think in this video I have explained to you about the models of artificial neural network. There are 3 models mainly, that is network topology. The second one I have explained to you about training or learning, and third is activation function. Topology, we have 5 types of networks. So for this feed forward networks and feedback networks, I have explained all single layer, multi-layer, single node with its own feedback, single layer recurrent network and multi-layer recurrent network. And then I have explained to you about supervised learning, that is like learning or training. There are 3 types of learning there: supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning. And then I have explained about the activation function. So there are 5 activation function which you can use it in your program, like identity, binary step, bipolar, sigmoid and ramp function. Thank you all.